Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset on your speaker JBL Grip. On the front side you need to find play pause button and volume up button, and to perform factory reset you need to press and hold them at the same time for at least 2 seconds. 1, 2. After that you can release your finger, and then we should reconnect the speaker with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then forget this device, or forget device or unpair or remove button. And forget device, and you will remove it, because without it, after you remove your speaker, we need to turn on it, so press one time at the power button. And if you do not remove your speaker from the phone and you try to reconnect it on iOS, it will ask you to remove this device. On Android it will show you connection problem, so we need to remove it. After that, after you remove and turn on your speaker, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. Then you will see your speaker at the device list, and you need to tap at your speaker. And we just reconnect it. If you want to reconnect it with the application, you need to only open JBL Portable app and then wait a bit. And as you can see, it reconnected with the app. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.